Welcome back to another Nails by Nailart YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my YouTube channel. Spread the word, spread the gospel. Y'all, I am so upset. I have been trying to clear up. Okay, first off, I haven't edited on a computer in so long. I normally edit on my iPhone, but I have too much stuff that I need to clear up on my iPhone, so that wasn't going to happen. I decided to edit on my on one of my extra laptops that I have. Got everything set up. I had to clear out space for almost 2 hours, y'all. I got so frustrated because this video should have been edited, should have been up, but it was just too much going on, y'all. So I had to breathe, and yes, I just burped. I had to breathe because I was really about to throw my phone and my computer and my laptop, and I was about to just go haywire. But nevertheless, we got it done, so that's all that matters. Also, another thing that upset me throughout the video was that I was trying to get a better angle of me recording my hand. So if you see throughout the video that my hand is not in frame, y'all, please do not judge me, and please do not get on my case, because just everything just went totally wrong. But I'm still gonna upload the video because it's content that I created. So be patient with me. We're gonna get it up and running as soon as possible, and we're gonna get it right. I'm tired. It's 11:26 on November 16th. Y'all, I gotta go to work tomorrow, so enjoy the video. If you have any questions, anything you want to talk about, hit me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Kisses.